Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support, and if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. And so I'm back out here at the park with my Latrax Alias, and I did make the repairs to this guy. One of these red lenses here were broken, and I had lost the feet, and so now I have these new rubber feet on here, and these actually come from a glow drone that I purchased off Amazon. I had two of them, and one of them I used for spare parts, and these rubber feet came in handy. I think they're actually better than the rubber feet that comes with the Latrax Alias, because these protrude down a little further and they're a little softer. It makes for a softer landing. So I'm out here to fly this guy. I also switched the front lenses to blue. I think they were green, if I'm not mistaken. Green or white. They might have been white, but I got them blue. Just brought it out here to fly it around, make sure everything is working properly. So let's get this in the air. Everything seems to be working fine with it. Whew! Had to put on the brakes. Almost smacked into the tree. I'm on high rates right now. Jeez, I just walked in a hole. Yeah, it's still flying normally. It's back to normal again. Love the way this thing does its flips and all, especially the diagonal ones. I don't know if you guys were able to see that. Let's try to do it again. Oh, you did backwards flips that time. Try it again. Diagonal. Oh, there's a hawk way up there. You guys see that? There's a hawk way up. A falcon or a hawk or something big. Let me come back down. I'm up too high. hawk is gone now. Oh, trying to bring it in. It's going crazy on me. So the Latrax Alias after the repairs, and it's awesome, and even got an improvement. Thanks for watching.